Smith's Bridge Campground, about 40 minutes east of Ararat. It's a big open space, a couple of designated fire pits, covered with these beautiful big tall trees. Feels very secluded. There is a road just over there, but you can barely hear any traffic, which is good. They've got great sticks here, Cosmo approved. We've got some drop toilets here and a little wooden shelter just over there. They've got a tap here. It is non-potable water, so you can wash your dishes in it, but probably wouldn't drink it. We parked just over here on a Friday and Saturday night, and we only had 2 guys camping here for about half the time on Friday. Oh, and someone else is pulling in now. Got a couple of picnic tables, places to cook, a little fire pit. Overall, I reckon it's a pretty good campsite.